Okay. In the Middle Ages, the people of Cologne believed that they were helped by little brownies, by little assistants. And here you can see which craft do they help. There was the carpenter, the bakery, butcher, the wine cake maker. I don't know the word for Küfer, but it's otherwise. And the tailor, the tailor, the Schneider. Tailor, yes. Wine cake maker. Especially, yes. And in the middle we have the main figure. This is the tailor's wife. And it's her fault that we didn't have the assistant now. Because as her husband came back in the evening and told her that he had an order to get to make a coat for the mayor of Cologne, and the moment to be ready on the next day, and the moment he got home, he went to bed. And she became noisy and wanted to know, how can this happen? She threw keys on the stairs to the basement, and as she heard a noise, she go with her lamp downstairs and look to what's happened now. And the assistant didn't like to be seen and leave Cologne. And since then we didn't have the little assistant anymore. Okay, in Germany we have was heißt Gedicht? Gedicht? Poem. We have a very long poem in Cologne for these little assistants. It's 9 verses? Verses, yeah. And who from the Germans know the poem?
I'm not
Just know the story, okay. I only wanted to tell you the first one, if you can imagine it. Okay. Wie war in Köln es vordem mit Heinzelmännchen so bequem? Denn war man faul und legte sich hin auf die Bank und pflegte sich, da kamen bei Nacht, ehe dass man's gedacht, die Männlein und schwärmten und putzten und machten ganz viel, und ehe ein Faulpelz noch erwacht, war all sein Tagwerk bereits vollbracht. Okay, it's okay.